In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. The International Faculty for Teaching Quran and Islamic Studies presents Arabic Language, Conversation and Translation. Dr. Mahmoud Musa.
Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Today we are going to finish with Arabic alphabet. We are going to compare between the early Arabic and a new one. We are going to see how the Arabs wrote their letters and compare that with nowadays written Arabic. In the early written Arabic, they didn't refer to the difference between some letters like ba, ta, tha, noon, and ya. Nowadays we use points to differentiate between each one. In addition, in the early written Arabic, they didn't refer to short vowels. Nowadays we use harakat, diacritics, to differentiate between fatha, dhamma, and kasra. Now, to differentiate between the early Arabic and nowadays written Arabic, we can give an example. Maliki Yawmi. Of course, there were no points. الدين. Maliki Yawmi Din. This is an ayah from Quran. It is from Al-Fatiha. As you see, there are no points. Maliki. Kaf has like Hamza nowadays. Ya has 2 points. Yawmi. Ad-Din, Ya also has 2 points. Noon has 1 point. This is the first difference. So nowadays we have points to distinguish letters like ba, ta, tha, noon, and ya. In the early written Arabic, there were no points, so it was not easy to distinguish between these 5 letters, for example. Nowadays also we have a way to distinguish between the short vowels. So we use harakat like fatha, dhamma, kasra, and other harakats. So if we want to distribute these harakat in our example, first we have mim, Malik, Maliki Yawmiddin. It is like alif, but in the old Arabic, there was no alif because, of course, Maliki can be pronounced like Maliki or Maliki. It depends on the way that the Quran was read. So they used small alif to refer to the alif deleted, Maliki. Liki, lam has kasra, Maliki. Kaf has also kasra, Maliki. Ya has fatha. Waw has sukoon. Mim has kasra, Maliki Yawmi. Alif can't be pronounced. It is alif lam. Alif lam is used to make the noun definite. They were added to deen, religion. So we added alif lam to deen. Maliki Yawmi Deen. So dal has shadda and kasra, deen. Ya has sukoon, Maliki Yawmi Deeni. This is how we pronounce and read this ayah in Quran. Maliki Yawmiddin. Malik means owner. Yawmiddin is the day of religion. It refers to the day of judgment. After we finished Arabic alphabet, we are going to move to talk about something different. It will be about the parts of speech in Arabic.